Hi everyone, welcome back to the QC Makeup Academy YouTube channel. My name is Veronika and I'm a student ambassador for QC Makeup Academy. After I graduated the Master Makeup Artistry course, Pro Makeup Workshop, I also completed the Special Effects course at the end of last year. I haven't been able to create an ambassador video or post any project recently, as I've been in the process of moving from Macau to another country and start a new part of my life. Moving is always a big challenge, but moving in the middle of a chaotic and pandemic world is much more difficult. Finally, I arrived and I would like to show you my new resident country, beautiful Thailand. Okay, now back to the studio. In this video, I would like to talk about some common questions and problems people and QC students often bring to me. For each question, I will provide my personal tip, practice, and I will show examples from my own work.
The first common question is, how can you get models? If you are learning makeup or want to show off your makeup skills to your potential clients, you need to work with models. You can practice makeup techniques on yourself, but keep in mind applying makeup to someone else is different from applying it to yourself. My tip is to start practicing on yourself, family members or friends, just to get some experience as well as confidence. Then I suggest to work on people with various skin types, skin colors, face and eye shapes to learn how you can adapt the basic makeup techniques for every face. Practice on as many people as you can, women and men with young or mature skin. Let's see some tips how you can get models. Try to make connections with models, actors, performers or dancers in your area where you live. These people in this industry often need new, fresh, recent photos for their portfolio, or they often participate in photoshoots where they might need a makeup artist. Offer your services for the photoshoot, or you can organize a photo session by yourself by inviting the model and the photographer. In exchange, you can offer high-quality pictures, makeup service, and makeup products for your models. Check out modeling, acting, dancing schools and agencies in your area. You will definitely find many talented individuals who will be willing to volunteer for you. Search groups regarding modeling, casting, acting, dancing in your community on Facebook and join them. You can reach out personally that you are looking for models for your makeup assignments and makeup projects. And what do you say to the potential model? You can say this. Always provide details to the models such as the type of makeup, length of the application and the photo shoot. It is also important to provide the expected venue and time. By providing details, you can make it easier for the models to decide if they are available and willing to help you or not. You can create a post on your social media pages as well, saying you need makeup model volunteers. How do you organize a photoshoot? A styled photoshoot is usually designed to inspire creativity in the participants, as well as to build networks and a portfolio. These photoshoots are often unpaid, but in exchange for your work, you will receive high-quality photos from the shoot free of charge, and these photos can be used for advertising as well as promoting yourself. You can build your networking, and with this you will have the opportunity to meet vendors and other professionals such as photographers, videographers, models or stylists. This can be a huge help for you to boost your makeup business. The question is how to get started and what to do exactly. Let me share my practice and how I do it. First step. Figure out and determine what type of makeup look or character you would like to create and bring it to life. Would you like to create bridal makeup, editorial, glamour or fantasy makeup? Next, find vendors to work with in your area, such as photographers, videographers or hairstylists. You can locate vendors the same way you can find a model, searching the groups regarding photography and hairstyling in your area. You can create a post on your social media pages as well, indicating you are looking for photographers and videographers to collaborate on your makeup project. You can also text directly to photographers and videographers that you are searching vendors for a photo shoot, inquiring if they would be interested in collaborating on a project with you. Always let them know your makeup idea and the conception of the photo shoot. If you already have your model and vendors, the next step is to set the day and the location of the photo shoot. Sometimes it's not easy to find a date that is proper for every participant, so it's best if you can start organizing in advance and work with a flexible time frame. You can also organize a pre-production meeting and invite all of the participants. It's a great opportunity to discuss the details as well as to get to know more each other. The key to a successful project is a well-collaborating team, and later this collaboration can be long-term cooperation as well. If you would like to learn more on how to organize and execute styled shoots, I highly recommend to enroll in the QC Makeup Academy Portfolio Development Workshop. For more information, check out QC Makeup Academy website or please visit my YouTube channel and watch my previous ambassador video on how I have built my makeup portfolio with stylized photo shoots. When creating a character, how should you start? Where can you find inspiration? Anything can be used as an inspiration for your next makeup project theme. I suggest you walk with open eyes, take a look around and get creative. Let me show you one example from my work, which was my entry to the QC Halloween competition. My inspiration was an orchid flower and some colorful home decor stones. The name of the creation was Miraculous Flower. The story I created was about an alien who lives on a unique and magical planet in a galaxy far, far away. You can feel inspired by watching music videos, movies, musicals, theatrical or dance performance. Anytime I see something interesting or inspiring, I take notes, so that later I can use these ideas for creating a new look. Be careful not to copy makeup while striving to create a new, fresh and unique character. How do you get and stay motivated? How can you improve your makeup career and continue to grow your business during the pandemic or even during lockdown?
Finding motivation or staying motivated during the pandemic or a lockdown can be challenging and difficult. You might get frustrated and anxious, especially if you haven't had a client for a long time, you are unable to get in touch with people, and you don't see the light at the end of the tunnel.
It's important at this time to keep your mind busy, set new goals for yourself, and you can also take the opportunity to improve your knowledge while learning new skills. Don't hesitate to take one of the QC Makeup Academy's courses and expand your makeup business with a new service.
And how to keep your mind busy? Let me share my practice.
Make plans. Write down your goals and the due dates you would like to achieve your goals. Use a calendar or a notebook. Think through all the steps you need to do to achieve results and write down these steps. Scheduling your tasks and deadlines are very important. Try to keep on track with the schedule. I suggest following the steps one after the other. This planning method helps you to see clearly what you want to achieve and what you need to do, so you will be able to execute your plan. Always focus only on the next step, never on the entire process or the final result. If you have completed one step, be happy, reward yourself, take a little rest, and then begin to complete the next step. If you are currently taking a course, it's important to schedule your assignments. Determine the deadlines you would like to finish the assignments or the units, and then the whole course. In this case, the keywords are step by step, always focus on the next assignment and not on the entire course. The best way to keep your mind busy and grow your makeup business at the same time is if you learn new skills. Getting professionally trained and owning a reputable makeup certification will only make your business more competitive on the market. QC Makeup Academy provides a wide selection of makeup courses and a unique online learning system. You will graduate with the skills and confidence you need to have a successful professional makeup career. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me in the comment section, or you may DM me on Instagram as well as Facebook. I'm always happy to help you and answer your questions. I'm also part of our amazing QC community on Facebook, the Virtual Classroom. You can pop in, and if you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give a thumbs up, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.